Magandang buhay! I'm Wency Ordanza
And I'm Kyle Galil Palero
from Grade 11 UPS,
Here, iAchievers Modern College.
formerly iAchievers Academy. Maraming bagay ang nagustuhan ko dito sa iAchiever Modern College, katulad ng facilities,
Ay ang pagkakaroon ng computer laboratory dahil isa ito sa pinaka-importanteng magagamit natin sa pag-aaral.
library to seek information for academic purposes ba ang hanap mo? Don't worry, meron yan dito sa IMC na makakatulong sa bawat mag-aaral for continuous learning.
Come and join us with the help of the school teachers of IMC. Together we will turn our faith to reach our dreams.